Hey, it's Melanie from the dev team with some updates for you in the contacts section of your system. We now have a bulk action to restore deleted contacts. Let's say you have a list of contacts that you've deleted. When you delete contacts, you will see this warning message that cautions you before you delete them to make sure you really want to take this action. But again, let's say for some reason it was still done in error or you changed your mind. You can come over to the bulk actions list. You can see all of your previous actions, and where you see the bulk contact delete action, you can go to the action you just completed, and you can click restore, and the contacts will now be back in your contact list. It may take a moment for them to appear, but they will pop right back up. The other option is you can click into the restore section, which has existed for a while, but this will allow you to manually restore one contact at a time. We recommend now using the bulk action restore if you have a list of multiple contacts that you'd like to restore all at once. That's all for now, and of course I'll have more updates soon. Thanks!